Food and health. Good living is possible only when we lead a healthy life. A healthy life is possible when you are physically fit and free from any disease. To remain healthy, we must eat nutritious food, stay active, and follow the rules of cleanliness. A balanced diet. Our food contains nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. It also contains roughage and water. A balanced diet has the right amount of all these nutrients. Look at the pictures. We must eat or drink some from each group every day. Sources of carbohydrates, sources of proteins, sources of fats, and sources of vitamins and minerals. So carbohydrates gives us energy to work and play. Some sources of carbohydrates are cereals, pulses, sweet potato, sugar, and as you all know, proteins help us grow. Milk and its products, eggs, meat, and pulses are rich in protein. Fat gives us more energy than carbohydrates. Vegetable oil, butter, and ghee are rich in fats. Vitamins keep our body fit. They improve appetite and increase the body's ability to fight diseases. Fruits and vegetables contains lot of vitamins. Minerals help in the growth and development of the body. They also help in keeping our teeth and bones strong. Fresh fruits and vegetables are good sources of vitamins and minerals. Roughage in certain vegetables and fruits help the body to get rid of undigested food. How to cook food? Food must be cooked with care so that its nutritional value is not lost. Cereals, pulses, vegetables should be cooked in the water in which they have been soaked. This water contains dissolved vitamins and minerals. Exercise. Exercise is as important as a balanced diet to maintain a healthy body. The benefits of daily exercise are many. It makes us feel energetic and active. It helps us tone our muscles and stay lean and give our body a graceful appearance. It helps in good blood circulation and enables our heart and lungs to work efficiently. Rest and sleep. After a day's hard work, the body needs rest. This can be done in a number of ways. You can relax by lying down, listening to music, watching television, or by reading a book. Sleep is needed as it gives you the much needed rest. While you are sleeping, your body system also gets the rest they require. It is during sleep that your body gets a chance to repair its wear and tear. You should get at least 7 to 8 hours of undisturbed sleep every day. Diseases. Disease is a state of unhealthy condition of the body in which one or more parts are affected and the body does not function normally. Diseases are categorized broadly into two types: non-communicable diseases and communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases are the diseases which do not spread from one person to another. Such diseases are called as non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases can occur because of several reasons. Number 1, lack of healthy food. Lack or deficiency of nutrients like vitamins and minerals in the food causes diseases. They are called deficiency diseases. Deficiency diseases can be prevented or cured by a proper diet. Fascinating fact: the diet of some children lack food rich in protein and starch. Their diet is not balanced. These children are very thin and have pot bellies. This condition is called malnutrition. The following table shows the effects of deficiency of different vitamins and minerals and the food which are rich sources of these nutrients. Table 1. Deficiency of vitamins. Vitamin A. Disease caused by deficiency is night blindness, unable to see in dim light. And if you really want to get rid of this, you have to eat leafy vegetables, carrot, tomato, pumpkin, mango, milk, fish, and egg. So, vitamin B, if it is deficient, you will get a disease called beriberi, which is a nervous system disease. The source of food is potato, bean, lentil, banana, and meat. Vitamin C, if it is deficient, you will get a disease called scurvy, that is spots on skin, spongy gums, bleeding, and is the source of food. Citrus fruits like orange and lemon, amla, guava, papaya, tomato, carrot, potato, cabbage, and spinach. Vitamin D, if it is deficient, you will get a disease called rickets, that is, bones become thin and brittle. And if you want to increase your vitamin D, you have to eat fish liver oil, egg, milk and milk products, exposure to sunshine. Vitamin E and K deficiency is very rare. See the picture of a child suffering from rickets. He has got a bony necklace, curved bones, big joints, bowed legs. A person suffering from goiter is visible to us. And then table deficiency of minerals. Mineral iodine. Disease caused by deficiency goiter, swelling of thyroid gland in the neck region. Source food iodized salt and seafood. Mineral iron. Disease caused by deficiency anemia. Less iron in the blood causes weakness. Source of food green leafy vegetables, beans, brinjal, jaggery, liver and fish. Calcium. Disease caused by deficiency affects bones and teeth formation. The source of food dairy products, nuts and seeds. Unhealthy lifestyle. Many non-communicable diseases like heart diseases, abnormal blood pressure, lung disease, cancer, diabetes, etc. are caused because of unhealthy habits like smoking, drinking alcohol, unhealthy diet, physical inactivity, and environmental pollution. Overeating and frequent eating of fatty or oily food can lead to accumulation of extra fat in the body and cause overweight. In many cases, the increase in weight is so high that it can cause health problems. This condition is known as obesity. People who are obese may suffer from heart problems, breathing problems, diabetes, certain types of cancer, and joint pain. Allergy. Some people react negatively to certain things they eat, breathe, or touch. For example, some people sneeze a lot when exposed to dust. This condition is known as allergy. People may be allergic to different conditions of temperature, food, chemicals, medicines, and insect stings. Allergic conditions may cause sneezing, running nose, rashes on the skin, itching, vomiting, diarrhea. Fascinating fact: the female mosquito sucks human blood, which helps it to lay eggs. Male mosquitoes suck up only water and plant juices. Birth-related diseases and disorders. Some babies are born with some diseases or defects. A baby may have a hole in the heart. It is a disease and doctors can cure it. A baby may have a cleft lip or clubbed foot or feet. It is a disorder and a doctor can correct it. Communicable diseases. Some diseases which spread or pass from one person to another through contact, air, contaminated food, and insects are called communicable diseases. These diseases are caused by tiny living organisms called germs or microbes. There are different kinds of germs like bacteria, virus, protozoa, etc. Bacteria. They cause diseases like tuberculosis, typhoid, pneumonia, plague plague, meningitis, etc. Protozoa. They cause malaria, amoebic dysentery, etc. Viruses. Polio, coronavirus, common cold, chickenpox, measles are examples of some diseases caused by virus. Let us discuss the ways through which these communicable diseases spread. Through direct contact. Many diseases like the common cold, coronavirus disease, chickenpox, measles, ringworm, whooping cough, scarlet fever spread through direct contact either through clothing or other articles used by the sick person. Through infected food and water. Diseases like typhoid, cholera, diarrhea, polio, and jaundice spread by eating infected food and drinking polluted water. Flies and cockroaches carry germs from sewers and contaminate our food and water. Handling of food with dirty hands and lack of proper sanitation are the main causes of pollution of food and water. Milk from diseased cows can also be a source of infection. Through the air we breathe. Communicable diseases through the air we breathe. Germs that cause diseases like coronavirus, chickenpox, whooping cough, diphtheria, influenza, and scarlet fever are present in the discharge from the nose and mouth of a patient. These diseases can spread through sneezing and coughing when germs are passed from one person to another through the air. Communicable diseases through insects. Diseases like malaria, yellow fever, plague, dengue, and khala azar are caused by blood-sucking insects like mosquitoes, fleas, bugs, and sandflies. In 1994, a large number of people in parts of Maharashtra and Gujarat suffered from plague caused by the bites of rat fleas. Similarly, fever is quite spread. Dengue is transmitted to a person by the bite of an Aedes mosquito that is infected with a dengue fever. Malaria is caused by a protozoa which is carried by the female Anopheles mosquito. When the mosquito bites a person suffering from malaria, the protozoa are sucked up with the blood. When this mosquito bites a healthy person, the protozoa are injected into the person's blood, causing malaria. Fascinating fact. Louis Pasteur was a French scientist who did a lot of work in causes and prevention of diseases. He created the first vaccine for rabies. He invented a method to stop milk and wine from causing sickness. The process is named after him as pasteurization. In the process of pasteurization, milk is heated to 60 degrees centigrade and then cooled quickly. The germs get killed by this process. Through carriers. Some diseases are spread by healthy carriers of germs. A healthy person may carry germs of typhoid, COVID-19, coronavirus, cholera, dysentery, etc. in his body. Such a person usually does not suffer from the disease. However, people who come into contact with the carrier are in danger of catching the disease. AIDS is an incurable communicable disease that damages the immune system of a person and leads to death. It is spread by a virus called HIV. Fascinating fact. Not only is smoking injurious to health, even inhaling the smoke released by a smoker is equally bad. There are high chances of lung diseases for passive smokers too. So you must avoid being near a person who is smoking. Let's sum up. Our body needs a proper diet, exercise, and good rest to keep ourselves fit and healthy. Our diet must include carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, fats, and roughage in the right proportion. Regular exercise helps to improve blood circulation in the body. The position in which we keep our body while sitting, playing, walking is called posture. Diseases are caused either by deficiency of nutrients or through germs. Diseases caused due to lack of vitamins or minerals are called deficiency diseases. Diseases which spread from a sick to a healthy person are called communicable diseases.